Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. I'm Rachel Harris. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're tuning in for the first time, please consider subscribing if you like the content. And thank you so much to all those that have subscribed and all those that have been sticking around with me. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Amazon products that I had gotten, that I ordered. And as you can see, this big box, but it's not really that many products in there. I have like 9 things. And things that I ordered mainly for my 3-month-old, and I only have 2 things that I ordered for myself. So let's get started. So if you notice my previous video, if you watch my previous life update video where I introduced you all to my son, and he's about 3 months, and so now he's come into a phase where he is like doing tummy time and things like that is very essential for his development. And so I've been looking at some toys or like activity items where he can lay down on his stomach and kind of like move around and kind of get his sensors like going, like his fine motor skills, to develop his fine motor skills, and and other skills and things like that. And so I found this item here. Is called Bright Stars Taggies Tummy Time Prop and Play. So it goes from 0 months and up. So the features here, you can lay on his stomach and have like a little mirror and have little other toys surrounding the play mat where he can grab onto and stuff. And it says it encourages muscle development. And let's see what else it says. There's a no slide tummy pillow. So yeah, and they also written it in different like languages too here. On there. So this is what it looks like this. And this is the back over here. In the back, it says it has a baby-safe mirror for self-discovery, tinted character face for easy baby viewing, rattle encourages auditory stimulation, taggy satin tags for tactile stimulation, easy hold character shaped toy, no slip tummy time support pillow, on the go plush toy with crinkle material, plush mat for extra comfort, and machine washable. So there you go with that. So that's for his tummy time. Next, I noticed that he's been like trying to chew on his fingers and stuff like that. So I figured that he's probably teething, and so I got this here for him. It's Itzy Ritzy, and it's a teething mitt. It only comes in one. And I think this just says, our modern teething mitt is worn like a glove, making it perfect for babies who can't yet hold a teether. And that's where he's at right now. He can't hold a teether, so this mitt will help him to like whenever he's uncomfortable, he can chew on it and stuff. And also remember to sanitize these items before giving it to your baby. If you choose to order one of these, you can make sure you clean them first. Next, I have this here. This is a soft teether book. This is a soft teether book. This is from the author Eric Carle. I don't know if I know many of you are familiar with the story of the very hungry caterpillar. So this is a little plush storybook teether. Let's open it up real quick. Yeah, so you see here, it has like this here that you can like chew on, and also if you notice, like it has like the, you can for like the fabric, like when he holds it, he can like get to hear the crackling, the pages, and there's like little sections here where when he touches it, he gets different sensory indicators here. So that's good. And it says in the back is 1, 2, 3 numbers, images corresponding with first numbers introduce children to early numeral recognition, shapes and colors, bright colors, graphic shapes and images engage early visual awareness, and tactile play. Smooth fabrics and various elements promote tactile exploration. So it gives you all the stuff in the back so you can understand what, you know, the purpose of your child using something like this. So be excited to see how he responds to this. And let's see. Okay, some essentials. I've been needing to get him like extra pants and stuff, so I got these here from Gerber. It's Gerber, I don't know if you can see it, Gerber Organic. So got some of these pants here in the size, I think it was 3 to 6. Oh no, it's not 3 to 6, it's 6 to 9. I don't know if you can see, I'm sorry if you can't see that, but it says 6 to 9 there. So yeah, now that he's growing, I have to get larger sizes that can grow with him, although he's still pretty short, but yeah. So I got three pants, 2 gray ones and 1 white one. Moving on. Okay, so I got these bibs. Oh my gosh. I need, like, now it's like bibs are so essential, especially now that he's spitting up so much. I found these are Burt's, I ripped off the tag, Burt's Bees Baby, super soft, 100% organic cotton. These are the bibs here. And what I like about the bibs is this part here, that it kind of like goes over the shoulder. So it's like, it's not something that is scratching the back. It's not going to scratch the back of his neck, but it's going to just lay nicely over his shoulder because he has very sensitive skin. My son has very sensitive skin, and so certain things just can irritate it, can irritate the back of his neck. And so I like the way that these are designed. It's like, I got them in 3 of them. Wait, no, 4, sorry. So it comes in the gray, and then we have this with some detailing here with the bees all over it. White, plain white one, and stripe. Yeah. So I'm gonna see how these work. And it says here, this little tag, it says ready for takeoff, easy on, easy off. So yeah, don't have to worry about strapping in. It doesn't have any straps. You just put it over the neck, put it over the baby's head, and then it just goes over the shoulders and comes down. So yeah, so that's Burt's Bees Baby. So any new moms out there, or any mommies out there, you know, we could try that. And let's see what else here. Oh, yes, this here is the Skip Hop Portable Baby Soother. Yeah, portable baby soother. It's a stroll and go portable baby soother. It plays 4 melodies and 4 nature sounds. So, and then it has an auto off timer for 15, 30, and 60 seconds. And it has a fabric speaker covers. And it has volume control, and it scrolls through sounds. And it's easily attaches with silicone strap. So that's a silicone strap, and this is the speakers here. And these are the functions here if you need for volume and, you know, for the sounds to scroll and stuff, if you can see it. Sorry if you can't. But yeah. So this I'll be using like to strap onto his car seat or stroller, or onto, you can also strap it onto your diaper bag too. This will help to like, because sometimes when my son is out and if he's a little bit irritated after a while, he starts to cry. I mean, he does pretty well when we go out, but then when he's like had enough, this will come in handy. And also if I'm in the house too, I'll just use it at home too. You could use it at home as well. Almost there. Stay with me. We're almost there. We're almost there. And here we have got some more onesies from the brand Absorba. And this is 6 to 9. 6 to 9. And although these are a little bit big for my son to wear, he'll grow into them. You know, he'll grow into these. Like, he'll be fine. He'll grow into it. And then I got these pants here as well. 6 to 9. They look so cute. I like these. I like the color. I don't know. I think it'll look nice against his skin. So, there we go. So that's that. And, you know, can't forget about yourself as a mom. You know, sometimes we're just so in tune. We just want to just be so in tune with our children, and sometimes we tend to forget ourselves and to treat yourself sometimes. So I got myself 2 things. One was something I really needed, like really, well, not really needed, but I had my eye on it for a little while. You know, noticed all the other YouTubers out there with them, and it's an edge brush. So got this, the edge brush, gentle edges, double-sided brush and comb, 100% pure, 100% pure boar bristles. So yeah. So sometimes I like to lay my edges down, and I used to use like my fingers to kind of lay it down, but now I'm gonna try this to see if it works. The bristles feel pretty hard. They're not that soft. So if you're when you're using it, just be careful not to, if you order this, just be careful not to go too hard, because it looks like you could probably, I don't know, pull your edges if you're too rough. So yeah. So this is from the brand Cameron's BFF First Line. Yeah, so I'm gonna see how this works. And last but not least, I have this. I needed, oh my gosh, I needed this because my wallet, like a good wallet. Because my other wallet that I've had for a couple of years now is starting to wear on me. So I got this wallet here. Can't really see the color, but it's the color pink, like a rose gold type of color. And so there's you open it this way. I gotta take this out. And here I needed something where I can put my cards. My cards that I usually use often can be visible. And then I have here where there's a pocket space for your ID card, and some more slots here for IDs. And there's another little insert here to stick other things in. And then then there's a second section here. You open that up, and then you look inside. You can put money, your dollar bills, your bills in here, and also this section here where you could place your coins right here. So there's an opening here and 2 openings here for your money. So looking forward to using this, and it's so pretty. I like the detailing what drew my attention was like the detailing with the leaves, and on the inside is this gold that pops through on the inside, and the detailing here I really love. It's like leaves, and then this little piece here that dangles right here. It's really cute. I really like it. You know, these little things make me feel pretty, like whenever I, treat myself a little bit. So thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see if I could try to leave the links. To all these things of where I got it from, but it's really Amazon. I just went on Amazon and, when exploring the baby section for the things that I got for my son and the wallet, I just was, browsing through and found the wallet, and also the edge brush and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps someone, and remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you all. Give you guys a virtual hug. See you.